Life was indeed a canvas of colors, and it gave various hues, at different points of time. Colors are related to our lives. Studies have shown that colors greatly impact our lives, as they greatly affect our psyche and the way we feel, as they have been used to interpret and study humans, and determine their tendencies and personality. And even though it has been used in its treatment, depressed people are advised, for example, to focus on wearing light colors, and to avoid darks, because of their great effect in modifying their mood, and they have also relied on them. In the process of designing homes, some colors are preferred to be used in bedrooms, such as green, because it symbolizes reproduction and fertility, and red, which symbolizes vitality and love, and there are colors suitable for schools and work offices, such as blue, because it encourages creative thinking and creativity, among other colors. Television advertisements have also relied on to attract the viewer's attention. For example, product owners use the color violet to promote their new merchandise, because it indicates change, exoticism, and distinction. Colors have been associated with their influence on people's positive and negative energy of people. Doctors in the operating room wear green, and the bride on her wedding night wears white, so the study of colors became important and not just for fun. I found I could say things, with color and shapes, that I couldn't say any other way, things I had no words for it. Colors have symbols and connotations. Colors have meanings, symbols, and uses that differ in different cultures and religions. Since ancient times, colors have been given great attention due to their association with the sense of sight, internal sensations, and psychological states. It is also a way to distinguish between things in nature and the universe. In addition to black and white, man classified colors into main colors, which are the colors which by combining can make all other colors, namely red, blue, yellow, and subcolors orange, green, and violet. Psychology is still trying to explain the perception of the position of an object in space, along with its shape, size, and so on, and to understand the sensations of color. Color psychology. To emphasize the importance of colors, and their connection to the psychology of people, a new science emerged, which is one of the modern branches of psychology, is color psychology. And one of the first that paid attention to these connotations was the marketing companies, which linked them with how to promote their products and draw the attention of consumers. Each color has specific connotations associated with it, and is used to denote it by the users themselves, whether they are individuals or companies and institutions, even if the connotations of some colors are similar to each other, but there are preferences for one color over another. Let's take for example gender. Males prefer orange over yellow. And women prefer yellow over orange. And the connotations of colors may differ between civilizations and peoples. For example, in China, the red color symbolizes long life and happiness. And in Japan, it symbolizes danger, anger, and life. And in Western societies, it symbolizes passion and love, while the Eastern symbolizes joy and good luck. One of the researchers says that the colors surrounding a person directly affect his psyche, and may cause the treatment of some diseases, known as psychosomatic diseases. Psychologists were able to determine the relationship between a person's favorite color, his characteristics, inclinations, joking and controlling spirit, as well as a health condition. So, we find that clinical psychology uses the light violet color to make the patient live in a state of separation from reality, and this color also helps to resist intense nervous emotions. Researchers have noticed that the red color expresses energy and vitality, and people who prefer it enjoy activity, vitality, dynamism, courage, and extreme sensitivity, and are more interested in the sensual side than they are interested in the moral side. While blue is a cold color and people who love it are sensitive, serious personalities, and it is considered a symbol of absolute meaning. Owners of yellow are happy and optimistic. Orange is a cheerful color, and owners of this color are social personalities. Brown expresses a solid, cohesive character and iron will. Green is the color of tolerant and understanding personalities, artists, creative people, and delicate souls. As for black, the personalities that prefer it are mysterious and introverted. The same, while white is the color of rationality, and its characters tend to be rational and intellectually balanced.